The 2024 BMW i7 Protection stands as a testament to BMW's commitment to combining luxury with unparalleled security. This armored version of the flagship electric sedan, BMW i7, is meticulously crafted by BMW Special Vehicle Operations to meet the highest standards of protection against threats such as gunfire, explosions, and kidnapping attempts. With a dual-motor electric powertrain, the vehicle boasts a remarkable range of up to 350 miles and a swift acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds, all while enveloping its occupants in a cocoon of luxury features including a panoramic sunroof, heated and cooled seats, and a cutting-edge infotainment system. Diving deeper into its protective features, the i7 Protection is fortified with armored body panels capable of withstanding gunfire from potent firearms, armored glass, a self-sealing fuel tank, and run-flat tires. The reinforced passenger compartment and the availability of a panic button, which activates a suite of security features, further contribute to the vehicle's fortress-like build. The interior mirrors the opulence of the standard i7, but is enhanced with additional security features such as armored windows and doors, a panic button, and an intercom system, allowing communication with the external environment without compromising safety. Performance-wise, the i7 Protection is a powerhouse with its dual-motor electric powertrain generating 600 horsepower and 800 pound-feet of torque. The vehicle's agility and responsiveness are uncompromised despite its armored build, thanks to features like a four-wheel drive system and an air suspension system. The i7 Protection does not skimp on luxury, offering a plethora of high-end features such as a premium sound system, a rear entertainment system, a refrigerator, and a wireless charging pad, ensuring a lavish experience for its occupants. Priced at an estimated starting point of around $250,000, the 2024 BMW i7 Protection is a limited edition masterpiece available through BMW dealerships. It represents the pinnacle of secure and luxurious electric sedans, making it an ideal choice for high-profile individuals and families seeking the utmost level of protection. The vehicle also comes equipped with a myriad of additional security and luxury features, including a fire extinguishing system, a night vision system, and a lane departure warning system, further solidifying its position as a leader in its class. Customer testimonials reflect the satisfaction and peace of mind that the i7 Protection brings to its owners. One user praises the vehicle for providing a sense of security for their family without compromising on luxury and technological advancements. The smooth ride, quiet cabin, and responsive handling, despite the added armor, are highlighted as notable features. Another longtime BMW user, John Smith, CEO of Acme Corporation, commends the i7 Protection for being the best BMW yet, perfectly balancing luxury, performance, and security, and instilling a feeling of complete safety for both the driver and the passengers. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.